Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I got a brand new DRV Mobile Suites 2019 36 RSSB3 is the model number. Let's go inside and take a peek. As we're going in, you can see the new MORryde step. It's a solid step. Grab handle here. It actually folds up inside, but a lot of people are liking the new step. It's pretty solid. Walk into it. I got it all lit up for us. You got cabinetry above. All this is for storage. LEDs. You got the MCD roller shades. You got the day and the night, the blackouts. This has the frameless windows. They actually swing out, so they hang actually below. So you got a table here, storage under here. This pulls out. You got two more chairs up in the bedroom, but it's kind of nice. Got this little extra, you know, for food or pantry kind of thing for storage underneath there. Lights are on a dimmer switch. You've got recliners. These are actually electric recliners, heated, massage. You got the Bluetooth in them, so these are kind of cool. Their switches are there, switches on both sides. You got in the flooring, you got our ductwork going around the tank, so this is a Four Seasons coach. Actually, this is a true live-in coach. So more cabinetries. You got the wood valances here, the maple. You got lighted inside the cabinets with glass. Kind of a nice touch. You got LEDs everywhere. Like I said, dimmer switch. Here's the dimmer switch. Fan up there, ceiling fan. You got electric fireplace that actually puts out quite a bit of heat right here. Got a great big TV. Storage. You got your surround sound stereo system above us. You got your wine guard satellite for up above. These got residential hinges on the doors, solid wood. You got your speaker there. You got storage on both sides of the fireplace with a little drawer right there to put movies or whatnot. These actually have the soft door. These are solid wood. So solid wood doors. They have the soft close, so they close, they don't slam. Little slide out there, kind of tray, it's kind of cool. So more glass, so you can adjustable shelving in there. Real tall ceiling with LEDs above us. You got your brand new touch screen. This is a convection microwave. More storage, lots of storage in this coach right there. So this has got the new Furrion 3 burner. They're the big burners, bigger BTUs with the glass oven door. In your island, you've got your dishwasher here. And here you've got the big two-piece stainless steel sink. Nice little what there. Pouring countertops, nice. More storage under here for in there, garbage and whatnot. So, drawers. Right here's your garbage, actually right there. It's kind of a nice little. The roller balls are all heavy-duty roller ball bearings. This has got your residential fridge, freezer. More storage. Little pantry on the side here. Both spots open up, so you can put spices and whatnot in there. Little lighted island right there. Shelving, adjustable shelving with lighting in there. Same thing there. Like I said, residential hinges, solid wood. Then here, you've got your control panel, all your slide outs, all your water controls, your electric. It's pre-wired for a generator setup. Solar, got a solar charger on the roof. It's got a monitor station, so that all keeps track of all of your outputs of your high voltage and stuff. Your battery checks here, gray, black water. Okay, remote control here for your fans. You got your fantastic fans above us with LEDs, all air, heating coming out of the ceiling. Nice big tall ceiling. You see how this is a, like I said, full body coach. You got your wood steps going up with a grab rail here. You got a pocket door right here so you can close off. And Walk in here, you got a big sink, you got the big shower. Got lots of room in here for big tall guys, big guys. You got a single sink with lighted underneath the vanity. Storage there, glass. A lot of women like that part. Cabinets there. Got a porcelain toilet. A lot more storage here for towels, whatnot there. Lots of storage, which everybody complains about not having enough. Nice lighted, fantastic fan above us there. Then here's where your washer and dryer goes in here. So, or you can put a rod in there if you don't want a washer dryer. You can put a rod in there, have more coat closet, hanging coats. You got the full walk around bed. So you got 2 slides in the bedroom. Actually, the little dresser slides out. Same thing, wood, the soft close. Get your TV entertainment above you here. You got the bed with walk around on each side. You got your dimmer switches on the side. A lot of wood, a lot of storage above us there. You got your big closet in the front here with coat hanging. It's a cedar line in the closet. Here's your hanging for your all your clothes. There's actually drawers in the corner over there. There's your little chairs for your pull your table out for your main table. It actually has a little safe in here for you want to keep your jewelry. Storage in here for shoes or whatnot. So nice big closet. Of course, the bed lifts up. You got storage underneath the bed under here. That lifts up if you want. You got open the window there. You got cross ventilation on both sides. One of our top of the line trailers. This is the 36 model. So it's a popular unit. We sell a lot of this. So very well built. Thicker walls, thicker insulation than anybody. They're just awesome built. I mean, DRV is the top of the line unit. So the construction is more than above. So about a ½ inch, 3/4 inch thicker than anybody else. Insulation, like I said, wool insulation versus padded insulation, you know, like the spray foam. They actually use wool like house insulation. All right, so but you can see how it's got a nice open feeling. It's great for entertaining. So yeah, and then you got your ceiling fan above us. Okay, let's go outside. Keyless entry getting in, electric awning, LED lights above us for the entry door. Light, plug-ins here for, you know, if you have barbecuing outside. So full body paint. So full body paint, they don't paint the side walls of the slides, but the exterior of the whole unit is full body paint. It's awesome. It'll look like this 15 years from now. Thick, look how thick the door. I mean, there's nothing built like this trailer. Heated storage bay. You can actually have controls. You can have an outdoor TV put in under here. So here's shows example of a hydraulic jack, how heavy duty they are. So this is auto leveling, 6-point hydraulic jacks. This is the little slide for the dresser. But see how the frameless windows, they're actually flat shelf to the trailer. These guys use heavy duty tires, H-rated tires. I mean, heavy duty, so better built than anybody else out in the market. They actually have awnings come over the windows, so a little bit of storage in the back compartment right there. And you got your cap on the back, your tail. A lot of trailers, fifth wheels, don't do this. Like trucks, you know, it actually improves the fuel economy because of the wind. So they actually put the cap on the back. LEDs, it's got already comes from the factory. The receiver hitch. So in some states you can actually tow a trailer behind. You got your full walk-on roof. You get up there with a ladder. It's pre-wired. It's got backup camera. So, and then here you got on the side, here's your power cord reel, which is all enclosed. It's up underneath. Again, the frameless windows, they swing out so the rain don't go in sideways. Access to the inside. And just you can feel how thick the doors are. Here's your auto leveling system right there. So you got a pass through that goes nice big, and you can get a tray in there if you want a slide out tray to go back and forth. Propane tank, got the big tanks right there, and the batteries are crossed on the other side too. There's batteries right here. Batteries go in there with your disconnect. It's got the 5500 Onens generator, so that's kind of cool. A lot of times we leave that as an option, but full cap, like I said, painted to match. So DRV Mobile Suites, the top of the line trailer we sell. It's awesome. Nothing compares to it. They're pretty heavy, you know, so you gotta have the right truck to pull it. But if you're looking for fifth wheels, toy haulers, campers, trailers, you name it, Joey McDonald here, Guaranty RV.